na minim awana sometimes minim say essence ye nyina ye fu ye penity no aya one medwene boma keeping it real shaggy you know this share me age and coming come on me video but just a brief about it.
Okay,
we should get away from the fake lifestyle now. Ye live no
and keep it real.
Nah, and keep it real.
Okay.
Say who the so banchia for the time being who say undi banchia but if you don't keep it real now you live to please people.
Yeah.
Obi a o ya de say o de beso ni penny na nya de a o ye so de beso nyame na so no at the end thereof no you have a big problem.
Yeah, okay, then there's a wafusu.
No, that's
keep it real.
No problem, but I'm saying that a lot of lifestyles no are really this is too fake. That's what I say. And fake, and that's very dangerous.
I think so. Boss high issue one place are many social media.
Yeah, very fake lifestyle.
We get some pressure now from social media because we be shot be a trampoline to social media. Saturday and so called say we call family. The pressure
man gratitude. You know, we be a the car. Now we call fast we the car.
Yeah.
We be in apartment. Now him call fast to an apartment.
Let the pressure be too.
Is the money be bia to get it?
You know, so it's as a result of pressure. It can be controlled. It's very important.
So, but my name is Asamo. And then a money to me be biana memani into me.
Memani be sweet a year. A memani be sweet. Okay. A memani. Oh, very fake. Wow. Memani be a fake. Memma fake. I'm not quite time. What we want to say this morning is you keep it real. Let's get away from that fake lifestyle.
That's right.
Move beyond for pressure and toast.
Don't allow anybody to
move beyond for pressure.
And then me who say more promote to Jumadi and with you. Yeah. Maybe come once but just then I got another humbling opportunity to visit a friend when I COVID DB.
Okay.
Now my body dia in your papa. You know, I had to shed tears for almost 13 minutes. It is because I realized that aswordin aswordin the nyina eye ko baby a any kwanse na me say suya say ahombrasie because nyina enyo bia eye key. If you visit the hospital ne wards ni bia now hwe nipa bra ne titru pa omode dawa you ask yourself that enti me pa mini ana wa won sem fata if we don't come to that point. It is a open the future. Why? We are saying if you don't come to that point, Mr. Asempa Jai, why you never free or money free? Now, me try to say one thing. If you don't come to that point, we are protected. If you don't get to that point, where Obatia says, if I encourage and treat everybody, say, oh, why, Kota Libiano. Go to the mortuary or go to the accident ward or emergencies.
Very important.
And have that humbling experience.
Because that fake life, that pretense and all those things. Major issue.